database.php. Inside this file, you will understand it. You will see how you enter your own database. The second one is config.php. You inside there is the first line of code there is telling us about your website address. So you are going to put your website address there. The third one is en.php. In this one, your email you use to register into webbuilder7.com, you are going to put it there. So I will show you one after the other how you modify the first, the second, and the third. So let's assume you unzip, then you go to this file application here, double click, go to config, double click. You can see we have config here, we have database here. So the first file to edit is database. You can see, just come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. Yeah, you see the first is lookout. Leave this lookout, leave it like that. The second one is username. So the username of your database. So you know the username of your data, any username you create. Then the password of your database will be here. Then the database name you create will be here. Okay. So all about the config. This is config. You can see. So your config will be like this. Your own config. If you open that file, your config will look like this. Why? Because my business name is Dava Hub. So that is why Dava Hub will be here. So your own business name, when you register into Web Builder 7, your own business name will come here. So leave it like this. So that means when maybe your own domain you just buy is www.example.com. So you now want to host this code into your domain, into your hosting. So what you do, just remove this last one and leave this slash there. Leave it there. So that is second file you edit. What is it? The third one is en. This en can be seen inside controller, inside en. If you come down, not. Let me just come to the first line from line 1. Come down. Okay. I can't find it. Let's check it again. From this line 1, come down. You see this email. So the email you use to register into this, into Web Builder 7, that's the email you use. So my own email I use is this. Are you getting it? So likewise, the email you use will come here. So which means by default, you don't need to tamper this en.php. You don't need that. Leave it like that. Do not tamper it. Okay. All right. Now back to, okay. This one, you've already modified it like this. Come to this place. You see one file called htaccess. If you can't find this file, it's better you come to this place. Click on hidden files should be shown. Click on file name extension to be shown. So this is the file. Let's open it with Sublime. So the file looks like this. So where you are going to modify is here. You can see this thing, this one is same with this one that was there before. What was there before? This was what was there before. So the new one now is this. So that means you are going to copy this new one, then put it there. Yes, that's the first thing to do. The second one is all this Dava Hub or the name of your business or your website. So delete this. Any Dava Hub, delete this. Dava is the name of my business. So you find your own the name of your own business there. So delete that name, delete it, delete it, then save. So when you save now, when you save in this file, you can see this file, everything. So you now zip them back and upload it to your public HTML. I mean in your cPanel. So this is how you upload it direct. And I'm telling you, it will work perfectly. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to message me. Here is my mobile number. So message me, I will guide you better. 348161610410. So that's 8161610410. That is my mobile number. Is the one I'm using on WhatsApp also, or on Facebook with my username to fb.com/saeed54. So that's my Facebook URL. Okay. There's another thing which remains. It remains database. Where you find your database? Your database is this. To get your database, this one, when you downloaded your website, database will not come with it because of some security. So what you need to do, you should send message with the email you use to register. Send the message to info@exclusivetrade.com, or better still, send message to ysbabatunde@gmail.com. You send me message and with the subject that you need your database. Now this is how you send your message. This is the email. You send your message like this. Business name. So your business name, put it there. Your email address. So that means you need to provide your email address, because you can use any email address to send message. Sorry, you can use any email address. So make sure you provide your email address, then your mobile. So you send to this email before you can receive your database because of some securities. Okay, that is simple way you can build your own online store and host it on your own domain. Everything is free. So everything is free. Thank you.